Money on electricity. Solar looks like a great way to save, but is it affordable for most of us?
Yeah, we sent Parker Collins to look into the numbers, and he is live with what he found. Parker, good information.
Beth and Dana, if you're thinking about getting solar panels like this home back here, you have to look at it as an investment. If there are financial uncertainties in your future, or if you're not thinking about staying in the home for that long, experts say this probably isn't for you. There's a lot of flexibility when it comes to buying solar panels. Depending on your situation, you could buy a smaller, more affordable system that would offset your power bill. It might be more reachable than you think. Let's look at one example from One Sun Solar Electric. Say you have a 1,950 square foot home. It could be covered by 16 solar panels, as long as you've got 320 square feet of roof space. That's a medium-sized system. It would cost about $15,000. But once you take into account the 30% tax credit and rebate from NV Energy ratepayers, the cost is more like $9,700. If everything works out, your panels could make enough energy to take off $1,037 from your power bill each year. That means it would take almost 10 years to recoup your losses. I was just speaking with a woman who lives over here who was walking her dog. She told me it's just too much money for her up front to think about solar panels. And if that's the case for you, you might think about getting a smaller system. The size of the system will determine how expensive it is, and you can work your way up to a bigger one later. Back to you.
Some good information there, Parker. Thanks. I think a lot of homeowners have wondered, and Parker just spelled it out for us.
Yeah.